Do you know that 3 out of 5 Australians are underprepared and underfunded for their retirement? I sincerely hope you are not one of them. The study conducted by ASFA, the superannuation body in Australia, found that for comfortable retirement living, Australian singles need a balance of $545,000 and couples need a balance of $640,000 at the age of 65. Hi, I'm Vabhav, an independent buyer's agent and property strategist from Get Rare Properties. The survey conducted by Mortgage Choice found that 56% of Australians are not preparing enough for their retirement. The challenge is that if we don't prepare much in advance in our early career stage, it might be a bit too late. If you are consciously not building your nest egg seriously, it's not your fault. The education system that we are part of has to be blamed. We have learned how to make money, but we have not been taught how to save early on and invest wisely for the future. Arguably, property investing is one of the ways to build wealth. I am conducting free online workshop whereby I'll be discussing and sharing my insights about property investing. In this interactive workshop, we'll be discussing the fundamentals of leveraging property market in Australia to be able to generate passive income for us to make our hard-earned money work harder for us. Should you know of anyone who might be interested in this workshop, feel free to forward this message or tag them in this post below. More details of this workshop can be found at www.getrare.com.au/workshop. I look forward to seeing you over there. Thank you.